This is a digital story summary of a mathematics lesson aimed at Stage 1 primary school children. The lesson is called Where's the Maths in Scarves? In looking at this lesson, you'll notice how the teacher has used a series of exploratory or hands-on activities, questioning and discussions, and a mixture of individual and cooperative work to successfully introduce the mathematical concepts of measurement and space and geometry using an everyday item like a scarf. The class was asked to each bring in a scarf from home. Along with the scarves which the teacher had brought in, they had quite a variety in which to explore. Starting the lesson off with a whole class group brainstorm, the teacher was able to enthuse the students into looking at the scarves in a mathematical view. Together, they were able to come up with several potential lines of investigation which they could take with the scarves. For example, symmetry, area, length, and pattern, to name a few. The first activity was an individual task where they were each used the criteria given by the teacher to record a description of their scarf. From here, the class was divided into small groups. Each group were given a category in which to sort the scarves into. The teacher here actually allocated the categories according to the level of complexity capable of the students within each small group. By doing this, the teacher is ensuring that each group will be successful, therefore keeping their motivation high to continue to further tasks. Also, each group would benefit from social constructive and cognitive learning from their peers. As each group had to interpret their resulting data, they were actually critically thinking about the relationships of their findings and summarizing this using their own language. And then sharing their group's results with the rest of the class also provided an opportunity for them to use listening skills and oral skills in speaking to the class. The measurement activity which followed involved the use of 30cm rulers as the unit of measurement as they measured the lengths of their scarves. They were then challenged to convert this result to meters, which they were quite happy to learn how to do. The teacher went a step further here to suggest another fun activity of lining up all the scarves on a sporting field and measuring the combined total length of the whole class's scarves. So this activity involved the participation and cooperation of all students with all their rulers and a collaborative effort to achieve the result. Using quarter kinder squares or whole squares as a unit of measurement for area, the teacher enabled the students to physically see the scarf area being covered by the squares and then count their resulting area measurement. Lastly, to link the scarves to space and geometry as well, the teacher paired the students up and they each drew half a scarf. Then their partner then completed the drawing by copying the pattern exactly by symmetry, pattern and colour. Not only was this introducing them to reflection and other pattern transformations of shapes, it was a creative task, so this kept the activity fun and motivating. So in conclusion, Where's the Maths in Scarves lesson was an engaging and effective way of introducing and extending mathematical concepts in measurement, space, geometry for this primary school class.